My name is Loni Tibay Martin and live at 31 Orisa Broadmeadows, Wellington. I'm married to a New Zealander and I have been here for 26 years. And I was involved with the community in Wellington and regional and national, and also with the women's group in Wellington as well, and an executive member for Multicultural Council Wellington, New Zealand, and two different ethnicity in Wellington. My full-time job is technical assistant, laboratory assistant at Athea Pathology, and data entry operator. We deal with the specimens, results, and distribution of the result for any other Wellington Hospital or Canterbury Hospital. That is my full-time job. The system of my work is we have to collect the specimens and we have to enter in the computer, and we release results to all the doctors in Wellington. So Athea Pathology is really full on in Wellington, New Zealand, in Upper Hutt, Lower Hutt, Kandala. So we really deal with all the GPs in Wellington. Malaki talagang contribution yan sa mga Pilipino dito kasi yung maraming mga nagtrabaho dito ng mga kahit sa ilang Christchurch, Wellington, Auckland, mas okay na nandito siya para naman maano din na maganda pala ang Pilipinas kasi ang presidente na bumibisita dito sa amin, chine-check kami kung anong meron dito, mas okay. At saka sa mga Kiwi na mga side, mas maganda talaga dahil sinasabi nila, maganda pala kasi nandito yung presidente, talagang importante kaysa lahat. Oo naman. Kagaya ng mga contract worker na nandito ngayon, yung mga dairy products, ang Philippine products ay maging na-known na ngayon as a Philippines thing. Tapos lalo na yung mga banana o ganon. Mas okay. Kasi nung last time na ng iba, yung mga nurses nandito rin, malaking contribution yan dito sa sa future ng New Zealand compared to New Zealand, Philippines. Pero mas maganda rin na parang kagaya ng South Island, mas layo-layo yan. Karamihan doon ng mga Pilipino na mga agriculturist. So gustong-gusto nila ang mga Pilipino kasi masisipag.